up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you guys can hear me well enough. I actually repositioned my mic in my helmet, and I need gas, and this guy's trying to kill me. Holy shit. I'm sneaking this one. I'm sneaking it. When it comes to guys riding motorcycles, our junk gets pressed up against the gas tank all the time, and it sucks. It's not fun. You gotta like move it around and like reposition yourself in order to. Why are you braking in the middle of the fucking road, dude? Come on, you idiot. I'm not really too fond on rudder's gas, to be honest, but I do need gas, so we're gonna fill her up here instead. And that looks like fucking, I don't even know what the hell that is. I'm gonna park my bike over here because I don't want to be in that crap. You guys don't know what that little thingy here is? It's my tether for drag racing. Good. I really would like to do, when summer comes around here, obviously it's getting warmer now, I got my bike back, it'll be cool to do moto vlogging, more moto vlogging. What the heck are you looking at? If you guys want me to do that stuff, I don't mind it. I love riding motorcycle. People that ride motorcycle will understand how much I love riding motorcycle. Yep, it's colorful, I know. Oh yeah, I'm like, what are these people looking at? And I was like, I forgot, I'm on a fucking bike that looks like Tetris. That's why they're, oh, come on. Come on, there we go. Oh, you go, you stay. You stay. Good girl. That's my biggest fear, guys, is fucking having a damn car run out in front of me from a stop sign or a light, not paying attention, looking the other way, being like, oh yeah, there's no cars coming. And here I come down the street, and they decide to pinch their little noses out in front of me, and then I wreck. And that just sucks. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. Like, seriously. Learn to back your vehicles up into your driveways, guys, so you don't back out into traffic. You got a lot of stuff. Got some cars moving around. Got a biker wave going on there. Alien vibes. Be a nice human. Mental health is important. Nice Veloster. God, I love this bike. Oh my god, I'm never getting rid of this thing. Let's go up here and do some highway girl scoping. Let's see here, let's see. That's a negative, that's a dude. That's a dude too. What do I got here? Stickers on the back window. Salt Life, Pitbull Mom, and Jeep Freaks. Nice, okay. I'm assuming she loves pit bulls. I'm assuming she loves Jeeps, and I'm also assuming that she loves surfboards or the beach of some sort. Oh, right. Up. Nope. Got it. I'm good, guys. I'm good. Don't call the police. Those officers on me. Here we go. There we go. We got two cool guys in the van next to me. They seem cool. I should just flip both these guys and say fuck them both and just go. But I'm not an asshole like that. So, oh, he's turning anyway, so it don't matter. Oh, she's turning anyway. It's a girl. Oh, another biker. I gotta get over and wave at him. Nope, see, he didn't wave. And is he gonna wave? Fuck no, he's not gonna wave. That's John! I know that fucking guy. What a dick. Wait till I see him. Oh my god, wait till I see him. Wait till I see him. I'm gonna be all over his shit. I'm gonna be all over his shit. Hey boss. How's boss doing? That's awesome. So yeah, we got the C7 here, guys. It's pretty much done, I mean, for the most part. The meth kit, we got to put the meth kit on still. So we'll get that done here soon. But yeah, here it is, the beautiful Pro Charger. Yeah, Pro Charger. Got the intercooler mounted down here. You guys can see it right there. Now I would be using my GoPro Hero 5. Unfortunately, some unnamed individual left at a Keith's pit stop in Gettysburg, PA. We won't mention any names or anything of that nature, you know, out of respect for the viewers, you know. But yeah, so I got to pick that up on Thursday, which should be an interesting video, by the way, as well. I think you guys are going to be pretty astonished by the video on Thursday that we're going to have. Hopefully, maybe I'll come out with it Thursday, maybe I'll come out with it Friday. I don't know yet. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so there's that. That's all done. It is running. Mitch, would you like to start this thing up?
I can if you would like.
I would love for the viewers in my camera to see the C7 Corvette started up. So once we have the outlet control system done, we'll put the bumper on, we'll put the fender on, we're going to route everything. We got an aero kit that we got to finish up putting on the front bumper. We already got the Z06 front grille in as well, so that's done and over with. So we got that out of the way. So yeah, but this thing's good to go. What do you think, Mitch?
I think it's going to be pretty bad.
We got a GT500 sitting out there we got to mess around with. That's actually a pretty cool car. That's a 5.8 liter GT500 as well. That's neat. That's neat. Oh, Mitch.
Oh shit! It's about to go down.
These people on here that are watching us right now, they're about to see some real America happen. Because that's what we do in this shop. We make real America shit happen in this shop. We don't play this little dumb game stuff. We actually make horsepower here in the real world. We actually go fast.
In the real world of America.
America.
Hold on, he's big. I gotta speed up.
This is gonna be badass. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I'll get closer. Maybe you guys can hear that. Maybe you can't with my mic and my helmet. I don't know. Oh yeah. We can shut it off.
Power wants to stay running.
It does. So much power wants to stay running. So this isn't done yet. We still obviously have to tune it. So that might be happening at the end of the week or next week. The customer is actually not here. He's in California right now. He'll be coming back to us. Once he comes back, he'll be picking up the car. It'll be completely 100% done. If everything works out and he makes some good horsepower, he's going to drive it around this summer, enjoy the car, have some fun with it. And then he's going to bring it back in September, I think, is what I was remembering. And he's going to be doing a full motor build and heads cam setup with a upgraded F1 blower, which is probably going to make a shit ton more power, which will be pretty awesome. So that'll be a good thing to see, hopefully in September, later in the summer months or whatnot. So, and I don't know, I guess if you guys seen Street Speed 717's video, second to last video that he did, you seen that Shane dropped off his 6.0 motor for his future Mustang build, which we're collecting all kinds of parts for that right now. So that'll be that's going to be a simple little setup. So, because the nice thing about these motors, these 6.0 motors in like Mustangs, is they make every damn part you can think of, on you know, on that swap. It's not like a very difficult swap to do because they make everything that you need, which is nice.
All right, guys, my beard's all messed up here, and I hope you can hear me a little bit better. I'm actually using my 4, like I was saying, because somebody left my 5 somewhere.
I don't know who that was.
I don't know who that was either. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want me to do more moto vlog stuff, I'll be more than happy to. I'll be doing a lot of riding this summer anyway, so it'd be cool to have. Man, my tire is flat on the back. Holy smokes, look at that. I didn't even realize how flat that was. That's probably from the Shut Down the City ride that I went on. But if you want more motor vlogging and stuff of that nature, I will definitely do that for you guys every now and again. Not all the time, but every now and again. Other than that, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.